Yo, you guys have no idea how much I was laughing. I heard the shoe. Could you go please take a bath? I don't know what kind of shoe licking you've been doing, but you smell like garbage. Ooh. It's like bomb, 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 clack, 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 blom, 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 clack, 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 clack. Should I really microwave the stool? Yes, let's microwave the stool, of course. She's just partying up there.
Wow, okay, and get that lunchbox back. Use the word.
It's so cute. Let's go. Yo, 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 yo. Okay, okay, okay. That's obviously unexternal. That's all. That's. Oh fuck. Doppio, keep it together. He was a Doppio Dropscythe hang. Doppio Dropscythe hang. Are you doing hang? What's wrong with the pants? The pants just. They just shrink out the knees. The knees are vacuums. Later on, I went to Danny the Donut Guy. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. Later on, I went to Danny the Donut Guy. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. Danny thinks. Yo, I swear. My jokes are so good. My jokes are so damn good. Telling you. Because it's her bag. And she's hiding in a bush. Go get him there!
There Vermilion!
Bing! Ba-bow! Oh, sorry, I messed up. It's how they eat. Drink or breathe. What's up? Doppio dio. Yeah. Keep working hard from now on to pay more tax. It's literally a poor tax. If you're poor, you have to pay taxes more. It's a poor tax. You're poor? Wow. Looks like you have to pay taxes then, huh? Your income is below a certain level? Well, good for you. Now you get to pay tax. Congrats. Look at this guy. Eek, 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 eek. Streamline donation. Thanks, Michelle, for the lunch money of $5. Okay.
Hex attack.
No, no. 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 I wasn't expecting Squidward. Stop. 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 Hey, okay. Baba Booies. Baba Booies. They got that Baba Booey fun. Look at the way everybody walks. Yes! Yes! Do it again! Hex attack!
Hex attack.
You defeated, yes!
Hex. Haywire.
No!
Excuse me.
He wants beans!
Everyone keeps telling me to go buy milk.
You wanted beans!
You go buy it. I don't even like milk anyway.
Go
What?
I can't just let you work here like this. I'll have to sort this out myself. How about you get a cup of coffee or something? Take a little break at the water cooler. I'll fix it for you. That's what friends do.
You just said what? No, I'm still laughing. Goodbye, bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, goodbye, bye-bye, goodbye, bye-bye, goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye, goodbye, bye-bye, 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 goodbye. Good night. See you next time. Bye tomorrow. Bye.